Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Acura MDX. Acura infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, power front seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, a power rear cargo door, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Acura ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.